Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be styling my hair. I just took down some really chunky twists that I had in. So my hair is kinda looking a bit crazy right now. I did flat iron it yesterday because I wanted to cut my ends and to do a proper length check. So this is how my hair is looking. So all I'll be using today is a comb. I know it looks crazy. Don't come for me. Okay, so I'm going to start off by parting a small section at the front of my head, right above my ear. I'm just going to be twisting that small section. Nothing fancy, nothing hard. So I'm just going to clip away my hair so it doesn't get in my way. I'm going to start off by braiding or plaiting that section just so it doesn't unravel easily and so the root of my hair stays neat. And after I plait it down for an inch or two, I'm just gonna twist it. So this is just a regular 2-strand twist and not a Senegalese twist. Just a small interjection here. So I wanted to let you guys know that I'll be having a giveaway in the month of May. So if you are a subscriber, please stay tuned for my upcoming videos as I will be giving something away to one lucky person. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Just create a small box and twist the section, starting off by braiding that section for about an inch or two. And then I'll twist. Speeding that section up a bit. I'm gonna do a hairstyle that my mom normally does. I've known my mom for all my life, and for all my life she has been doing this hairstyle. So I'm gonna start by parting my hair straight down the middle. The part might not be the straightest, but I am gonna try. I'm gonna show you how the back is looking. So everything has been parted in half. Not the most perfect part, but it's okay. So I'm gonna put away one section and use my wild growth oil to oil my fingertips as I will be separating my hair. As I mentioned before, it was in twists earlier, so the sections are in need of a bit of detangling. So I'll use the oil just to make the process a bit easier, and that will in turn reduce or prevent breakage. Alright, so now I'm ready to begin. Because I just took my twist down, I did not comb out my hair, so I'm just going to be combing up the roots of my hair just so my braid will be neater. So starting off by sectioning a small piece of hair and separating that section into 3. And once I have my 3 sections, I will start my braid. Some sections of my hair are still a bit tangled, so you will see me running my fingers through my hair a bit just to separate everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna go slowly and get that braid done. It's just a simple hairstyle, really, nothing fancy. Okay, so when it comes on to braiding or doing a cornrow, each time your index finger goes through your hair, you want to grab a section of hair just so you can ensure that every section of your hair goes into the braid. So let me show you the back. So I'm pushing my index finger through my hair so I can grab a section of hair. I'll use the other hand just to guide the hair beneath my index finger so I won't have any loose hairs. And basically that's how you do a braid. This really isn't a braiding tutorial like how to braid, but I just wanted to show you the hairstyle I'm doing. When it comes on to the bottom of my head, I realized that it's very sensitive and it's extra thin in comparison to the rest of my hair. So I would just make sure that the hairs at the bottom of my head aren't pulling too tightly into the braid. So I would just push my finger underneath the braid just to loosen things up a bit. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the second braid. Part off a small piece at the front and separate that into 3. And start braiding. And if you are interested in seeing what I've been using for the past month or so just to help with growing my hair, you can click the video I will link above in the card section. I have been using aloe vera for the past month. Okay, so as you can see, this is just a very easy style. It took me less than 15 minutes to get this done, so it's nothing pressuring. I just wanted to have my hair like this for a couple of days so I wouldn't have to comb it or anything, and this was the first thing that came to mind. So I'm finishing up the back section of my head. And I'm just gonna speed that up a bit. When I get to the bottom, I just loosen up the hairs a bit, loosen up the hairs that are in the braid a bit, just so it's not too tight. Okay, so I have a little bump in my braid. I didn't even realize until I was finished plaiting the hair, but that's okay. Okay, so there you go, the finished results. If you like how my hair turned out, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for your support. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!